How to delete apps on MacBook. First of all, open the Finder by clicking the smiley face icon in your dock. Next, go to the application folder. You can find it in the sidebar or press Shift plus Command plus A to get there instantly. Now scroll through the find the app you want to delete. Drag it to the trash in your dock or right click it and select Move to Trash. Finally, don't forget to empty the trash to free up space. Easy, right? But what if you prefer using Launchpad? Let's move to the second method. Click the Launchpad icon in your dock or press the Launchpad key on your keyboard. Locate the app you want to delete. If you have too many apps, use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Click and hold the app icon until it starts jingling, just like on an iPhone. Click the little X that appears and confirm you want to delete it. Keep in mind, this only works for app download from the App Store. If your app does not have an X, use Finder. Or if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.